Hello and welcome to Eco House and welcome back to Hampshire, where you join me on this new build project where I was a couple of weeks ago carrying out the pre-site visit with Oliver. Well, today we're installing our windows and doors. So let's go and have a look what's going on today. Well, there you have it, guys. That was this installation project in Hampshire where we installed our Internorm timber aluminium windows and doors. Please subscribe. Please check back where there'll be some more videos uploaded soon of us installing other projects around the UK. We'll see you soon.